Okay, hello all. In this video, we will talk something very serious because this one will be the first part and the beginning and also even the foundation of all the geometry question in mathematics. So first of all, we will tell you something called abbreviation. That means this is called angle sum of triangle. Every time you must write this after you use the case of this triangle. What do we want to use is that we are going to find out that what is the sum of these three angles. And in case you can find that for every triangle, you will also get the same result. That means that A and B and C will got the 180 degrees directly. So how can we check it? Let's have some paper for it. This one is a triangle, so that we can tear it up. Just tear it by yourself anyway. And then you can take these three angles together. So that you will see for every triangle you have, you got 180 degrees. Because why you can say this is 100 degrees? Because this one is so a straight line. So if you don't trust me, you can use any paper that and we can draw any triangles for it, and so that you will get this one 180 degrees. So never mind, just try it. Okay, this is obvious for every time. So we will write the angle sum of triangle for this one. So what can we use and how can we use in your exam and even your test? So let me have some example for you all. Okay, now this one is called angle sum of triangle. Okay, now let's look at the question. Find the unknowns in the following figures. We are going to find out the unknown B here, so that and also unknown Y here, so that for you to find the what is the 180 degrees to how can we use it. Okay, now let's look at the steps. So in your examination, I'm only allowing you to write down everything after you do this in the examination. If you miss some step, I will deduct you marks, okay, in the future. Okay, so make sure that about it. Okay, now first of all, you consider triangle DEF. Okay, we have know that I've told you last time that these three angles add together will be 180 degrees. So we write down angle D plus angle E plus angle F will be equal to 180 degrees. So we have used this reason, we call this reason called angle sum of triangle. So we must write down angle sum of triangle here, so that to make sure that you know the meaning why you can use this is 180 degrees, because I know that in this triangle all three angles add together is 180 degrees. Okay, now write it one by one. For angle D, this is 45 degrees, so we write it down. For angle E, this is 65 degrees, so we write it down. And then we write down 180 degrees minus 45 degrees and 65 degrees. So this one is 110 degrees. So for B, this one is 70 degrees. So we have finished this question. So every time you must write down the reason and you must write down the calculation so that you can handle this question easily. Okay, now let's look at the part B. For part B, okay, we write here. In triangle, this time we will consider the PQR. Okay, PQR. So you will see angle P plus angle Q plus angle R will equal 180 degrees. Okay, every time. So why you know that this is 180 degree angle? Say angle sum of triangle. Okay, so we have angle sum of triangle here. So what will be the next is that we are going to write down the angle, the value of the angle. So for P, you will see this 65 degrees, so we write down 65 degrees. For Q, this one we have the straight as the little square, so obviously we do not need to know the value of it because we can write directly. This one must be right angle, so this one must be 90 degrees. And we are going to calculate R, that is the unknown Y. So that is 180 degrees. So finally, Y will equals to 180 degrees minus 65 and minus 90 degrees. So finally, Y will be 25 degrees. So we will finish the part B also in this question. So every time you are going to use this, that every three angle add together is 180 degrees. So now I will go to question 6, and I will not tell you anything, and just try it by yourself now. So I will give you 30 seconds to do these two questions. And so can you tell me what is the unknown x, the value of the unknown x in these questions? Okay, now let's do the answer for it. If you cannot finish, just pause the video now. Okay, now in triangle ABC, you will see once again angle A, angle B, angle C is equal to 100 degrees with the recent angle sum of triangle. So now let's look at the part of it, and we are going to write down for angle A, this is 40 degrees. For B, this is X, and for C, this is X also. So we have 2X is equal to 180 minus 40. This is 140 degrees immediately. And X is obviously 70 degrees Celsius. 70 degrees, not Celsius. Okay, this is part A. And for part B, you are going to calculate in triangle XYZ. Okay, obviously, once again, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z will equals 180 degrees. This is called angle sum of triangle. Okay, now angle X is 3x, angle Y is X, angle Z is X. Please pay attention. This X is capital letter X, this X is small letter x, so they are different. Okay, this means the point, and this means the unknown. So make sure that you know the different meaning about it. Okay, so you have 180 degrees. So you got 5x is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, 3x plus x plus x. Okay, finally you got the answer. X is 36 degrees Celsius. That's not degree. Okay, now look at this. We have used the angle sum of triangle once again. Okay, so make sure that what you learned in this video, I'm going to tell you how to do the angle sum of triangle. So next time I must ask you to write down all these reasons in your examination. If you do not write it, I will deduct 1 mark for each. Okay, so thanks for watching.